Hey guys, I am currently in the process of editing and preparing my latest video. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 15 different chapters of me screwing up. So we're going to skip through a bunch of this. So, the video starts off with me putting in the change gears, and I may leave a little bit of that in. But in the long of it, I ended up setting the gears up for 13 threads per inch. My part was calling for 16 threads per inch. I went through several iterations of that, trying to figure out what was wrong. Okay, and I also had an issue with my my threading tool. This one here, looking on, the cutter is on the left side. That makes it a right-handed tool. And that's the tool I want to use. So why is a left-handed tool in this? Oh, because I didn't use this. So then I finally I get around to using the right tool, and at some point I figure out I'm cutting the wrong pitch. Wonder where that goes. And I want to try to pick it up maybe where I actually where everything's actually set up right. I got the change gear set up correctly, and I'm leaving out an hour of just me screwing things up. It's been a while since I've done threading or anything on the mini lathe. So we're gonna pick it up where I finally get it. You know, you're not gonna see any of my screw ups, or not many of them. My gears were chirping around like crazy, and they weren't engaged well enough, and just in case the video seems a little disjointed, it is. And I just wanted to break in here and give a little explanation of what exactly is going on. So enjoy the video, guys. Thanks for coming along. I appreciate you. Okay, I found the holder I need. I think this is also maybe a different size threading tool. This is for a larger, a deeper thread. This is a smaller cutter than this is a larger cutter. But that's where I want the cutter at, on the leading edge. If I look at this kind of head at me like this, the cutter's on the right. That makes it a left-handed tool. So if you're looking straight on at the cutter and it's on the right, that makes it a left-handed tool. If it's on the left, it's a right-handed tool. I don't know why. So there's my 0. Gonna get my dial indicator set up. Over here, let's get the tool set up because I only have so much travel. So we're going to pick the travel up here. Okay, we'll 0 that. Bang everybody around a little bit and see where it lands, where it settles. Okay, so let's try to get some consistent starts. Well, it's really not cutting. You know what? I'm cutting the wrong pitch. I'm cutting 13. I need to have 16. Duh. Okay. Through, say, many trial and error, I think I've got it now. I've got the right thread pitch dialed in. I got the right cutting tool. I am now cutting the number of teeth that I desire. The pitch is 16, and that seems to be right on. According to the chart, I can start on any number 1 through 8. I'm going to just start on 1. I don't trust that 1 through 8 bullshit. Oh shit, I'm sorry. It's a family channel. Yeah, I think we have it now. 5 8's 16. The gears changed a little bit. Let me show you that. Now, I used to think if it was only 3 gears, is that you use the 3 gears and then filled in anything to make it all connect. But that doesn't necessarily work. So I got, where's the numbers at? 40, 65, skip, and then 40. So there's 40, 65, skip, and then, what was this one? 40. So what I had to do, this one's just riding along for the ride. I took this spacer from the other side and put it here on the outside so that my 40 tooth would engage with the 65. And then there's another 40 up there. So like I said, this one's just riding along for the ride, taking up space. It is not engaged at all. It's only the 3 gears the chart called for. When I first set this up, I set this up with the spacer on the inside, and I changed the pitch because I was using this little filler gear. Now imagine I could have put that filler gear on the inside and put that on the outside. No, I think we're better off right now. I seem to have favorable results here. Let me see if I can light this screen up without turning the camera off. Okay, we're lit up, we're still recording. There is the target. And I have my dial set at 10 thousandths. And it's all coming back to me. You go as slow or as fast as you want. When I was first threading, it was just a nervous wreck because, you know, the thing was spinning so fast. Well, you just slow everything down. Okay. So I'm going to go all the way to 20. Start on 1. I need to grow a set and start on 2. Go all the way to 30. I think when I get to 75, I'll be done. Okay, after that was 30. I'm going to do a spring pass on 30. I may do another spring pass on 30 with oil. Now we'll go to 35. Okay, here comes my number 1. Okay. We'll go to 40 this time. What we're doing is we're testing this to see if I got the right thread for my clutch cup. Was that 45? Let's go to 50. I might go with that right there. Let's do another 50. I like that right there. I'm not going to cut any further. Spring pass. Yeah, that's a beautiful thread, man. I'm not sure how well you can see that. Now, the first time I was cutting threads with this, oh man, I would never take it. I would never release the fifth wheel. Okay, I guess we're still recording. Look at that down there. That is perfectly flush down there. I don't know how I can demonstrate the fact that there's no slop there. That's one of the best threads I've ever cut. And that is the exact, that was 50 thousandths deep. Man, I am psyched. So all I need to do is put that thread on this rod. This will feed up in there. God, that's satisfying. Where's my threads at? Yeah, we just need to put those threads on this piece of steel. Wow, I'm rocky start. Cutting the wrong pitch at first. Here's my little mistakes. There's another one. So I had at least, well, this one looked pretty good, but it was the wrong pitch. But that's great, man. That is such a good fit. And I tell you, there is nothing there, no looseness at all. It's just perfect. You know, we just need to transmit that to the steel piece. And it threads in a little differently this way. And I'm going to have to, yeah. It's just freaking perfect, man. That's great. Here's the original piece. There's more movement in this one than the original. There's not much, granted, but there's more. So, yeah, part of me wants to jump right in there and do it. The other part of me says, just slow down, man. Do I have enough length? I have enough length because this needs to be a little longer, and I got the length I need. It's going to give me 2 threads more than what I ended up with here. So all I got to do, theoretically, is put this in the machine and start cutting threads. What the hell, let's do it. Well, unbeknownst to me, I'm a little short of 5/8. We're going to try it anyway, and we got this little matter of this little thing we got to watch out for. So there's a couple of issues here I'm having right off the bat that are going to prevent me. Now, if I use the so-called left-handed tool, I'll be able to do this. But that'll be a left-handed thread if I feed that direction. So how am I going to get around this? I need to make a cutting tool that's going to get me around this. So let's just theoretically say I had this tool and see where it would take me. Okay, I need to get rid of some of this material. So I need to grind away. I tell you what, I bought a bunch of cloth towels. Terry cloth towels, and it was always my rule in the beginning to not have any cloth in here around this lathe. So buying all them towels, inevitably they end up out here by the lathe. They're collecting chips, they're a hazard. I need to grind this off, not the total amount there, but I need to grind away most of that, half of that what I got marked. So I got to get these cloth towels out of here and make sure I have plenty of paper towels out here, because this cloth is bad news. Let me look through my high-speed steel, see if I have a piece that I'm not going to have to grind on. Okay. We're back. We're about 0.8 shy of 5/8 here, and I believe I got a tool that'll reach this. I'm going to zero my fake DRO also, just for kicks. I don't trust it, but okay, let's get this, let's progress forward here. Let me get you down here on it, man. Are you seeing it? I'm going to slow it down just a hair. That's pretty fast. Okay, here we go. And there's scratch pass. Okay. There's a 0. We'll back that off. Bring it back up. go to 10, but not without checking our thread gauge first. Well, I can't see it. Let's do this way. That lies right in there. Okay, so I got a 10/1000ths cut dialed in. I still might have to do some grinding on this tool, but I think what's going to end up happening, I'm going to end up chamfering the inside edge of this as we go. So here we go. Wow, we had all kinds of messing up there, didn't we? It's okay, we can recover, no big deal. So, I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to take this down here to where I wanted it at, because we never tightened our tool up. Okay, let's try that. We can recover from that. There's no big deal. You're early in the game. All we have in there is a scratch. So we're going to go back to 0. Start over. Okay, we're going to take it up to 10. And here we go. Plenty of time to recover. Give it 20. You see that? I'm not able to grip. My tool moved. Let's see if that may have been that may have been something I can't recover from. I'm gonna pull it out and see follow it without engagement. See if I'm anywhere near where I'm supposed to be. I don't know. Let me take that again. I think we're a little out of sync, but I'm gonna try to power through it. Hopefully this thing doesn't let go anymore. I should adjust that tool a little bit, but I may do more harm. There. So there's my 10. Yeah, we fell right back into the same channel. We're good. Okay, So let's go to 20 with a little oil. And we're going to do a spring pass at 20. I'm going to do another spring pass at 20. Yeah, we'll go to 25. And 30. Do a spring pass at 30. Here comes my number. Okay, we're going to do another spring pass at 30. Again, we're building a nice looking thread form here. And I think we might actually be where we need to be at. Let's do another 30. Well, let's do a little fake CNC. Little anchor lube on here. There we go. Kind of all came at once, didn't it? Okay, I'm at 30. I'm waiting for the thread dial. Man, that's a good looking thread. Where's my brush at? We're going to do another spring pass at 30. Considering I started about 8 thousandths shy of my dimension, what do they call it? Your maximum, where's my major diameter. I got points, man. I think we have it. But you know what? I have to take this out of the machine to test it. So once I take it out, I've committed. Let's do 32. I'm going to do a spring pass on 32. I don't want to take too much diameter out of this. Go with that. You know what? We're gonna go. Let's back you up a little bit here. I don't know why I feel like I need to keep this on to prove there's no funny business. Nothing funny about this business. Okay. I would have liked to have filed that a little bit and smooth and soften that up. So let's take this out. Yeah, I'd like to clean that up, but let's make sure we have what we need first. There's slight movement there. Very slight. I believe we have a part. Okay, I don't want to take any materials away. I just want to knock the burrs off of it. Let it ride down here until it catches on something. So I'll do a little bit at this angle. I'll do a little bit, little angle here, and now I'll go straight on. And if I can find its natural pitch, let it run on that a minute. It's just about having getting the burrs off of it. Having something you can touch without hurting yourself. A nice little triangular file that is 83 thousandths from flat to point. Well, that's only at the tip. 70 thousandths, and it grows up to 103 thousandths. Very handy. Now see, a little shot of air would be appropriate right now. I love it, man. Where's my, there it is, chuck wrench. Other than, this is a good part. All I need is my hole for the tapered pin.